Did you take a brain break? Well, good, because I'm ready to do some math. We are going to do the chapter about shapes and geometry. So much fun. I even sent you a ruler home so that you can draw. But today, this is what we're going to do. On the first page, it has pictures of tools, and the tools have different shapes. Everything comes in different shapes. Let's open up here. What I want you to do first, without any help, I would like you to do that page on the back. There are only 6 questions, and go ahead and do that. You can pause this video and come back for the rest, because I can't stop or else the video would end. So I'm gonna go ahead, pause, Okay, then after you've done that page, I want you to do these pages where you make word cards or flashcards, and then you can save them in a plastic bag, but please learn them. Study the words on the front of the card and complete the activity on the back. So, for example, these are the words: vertices, vertex. A vertex is one of them. On the shape is the corner. And if it's 3 of them, and this one it is vertices. So that's plural. A quadrilateral. Yeah, I know, it's a long word. Say it with me. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, quad means 4. It's a 4-sided shape. Then, how many sides does this shape have? Looks something like a house. It says pentagon, because penta means 5, so pentagon. This shape down here looks like a stop sign, right? It's a hexagon. It has 6 sides. This word is polygon. Polygon. Polygon just means a plane shape. It can have 3 or more sides. And this is an angle. Now, the angles are the corners of a shape that has corners. Circles don't have corners, so they don't have any angles. But all of these shapes have corners, and inside the corner is an angle. So, on the back of your page, fill in the blank, which is the answer to the front. The answer you will find on the front of your paper. Then cut these out and study them. Practice with someone. Of course, we do have some more on the next page. I'll go over all of the words with you. We have right angles. Remember I said angles are inside the corner? Well, a right angle is like the corner that is a square. A right angle would be straight up and down, like when the clock says 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. It makes a right angle. We'll study it some more later. Just write it down. A cube is a shape that is not flat, but like an ice cube or a dice, it's square, but it has 6 sides to it. A face. Well, a face you will find on a cube. And that is the side of it. They call it a face. This cube has 6 faces. I guess you can put eyes on all sides. It also has edges on cubes. That's when the two faces come together and it has an edge, or you fold it. And an equal share. Now we're going to start talking about dividing things, and we'll be talking about fractions later on next week. But when you divide something in half or in equal parts, then everyone gets an equal share, and that's fair. When you divide it in two equal parts, you have 1/2 plus 1/2, then you'll have 2 halves, make a whole. Now, if they're not equal, it's not really a half. They have to be the same size. And we have an art project that we'll talk about later on that has equal size. Now, if you divide it into 3 parts that are equal, they're called thirds. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts divided into thirds. Well, if you're sharing it with 3 people, you should divide it into thirds, and then everyone will get the same amount. But if you have something that you're dividing for 4 people, you want to divide it into fourths, equal, so that everyone will get their fair share. So, write your answers on the back, cut them out, and that's all we're going to do for math today, except there's a video that you need to watch on Brain Pop Jr. All right, see you later.